Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and all journalists and others who in the hall. आज हम जो एडमिशन्स 2025-26 स्कूल ऑफ ओपन लर्निंग के हैं उसके बारे में अपडेट आपको दे रहे हैं। जो यूजी के एडमिशन्स हैं उसमें CUET की रिक्वायरमेंट्स स्कूल ऑफ ओपन लर्निंग के एडमिशन्स के लिए नहीं है। MBA Bachelor of Library and Information Science, Master of Library and Information Science and PGD LAN जो डिप्लोमा है लाइब्रेरी ऑटोमेशन में, इनके लिए भी CUET की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। E-prospectus, our e-prospectus is available on the website www.sol.du.ac.in, and UG portal for online admission is also live from 1st of June, that is ugadmission.oldc.ac.in, and PG portal is also available now, and from the morning it has already been started, the PG portal. And important dates for admission. From 11th of June 2025 to 15th of September, this is admission for all UG programs. 15th of September is the last date given by Distance Education Bureau of UGC, and it may increase or it may not increase. Admission for Library Sciences program will start from 16th of June. It has already started, and till 15th of September. Then registration for all PG programs through CUET. That registration has already started, and up to 10th of July, this registration will be there. But CUET is not only thing which is mandatory for PG admissions. After the CUET score students are over, will fill rest of the seats through merit. And registration for all PG programs through merit, that is also from 16th of June to 31st of July. After 10th of July, we'll announce the merit list for CUET candidates, and after 31st of July, we'll announce merit list for those candidates, those left out seats where the CUET score students are not available. Then registration for MBA program is also from 16th of June to 10th of July. Then there are certain financial support schemes for various categories of students. Sports quota we have announced this year only, and for national and international medal holders, there is various support system and financial support for the sports quota students. Then PWVD students, orphan students, 2 seats per program where the seats are fixed. Otherwise, where the seats are not fixed, then any orphan can get a fee relaxation. Then armed forces and central armed police forces, there are various categories in which fee relaxation is there. For transgenders also, there is fee relaxation as per the orphan quota only. Then SOL and university employee and wards of SOL, there is another support system. Meritorious female students scoring 8.5 CGPA and above after first year will be given full fee relaxation of the School of Open Learning fee. Then FSS for economically weaker section of the society as per university norms. And in case the students are enrolled in SOL, gets admission in regular mode till the last date of admission in SOL, then full fee will be refunded after deduction of 500 on production of proof of admission. So this is advisable that the students must secure their seat in SOL. If anything happens that they are not able to get a seat in regular program or course of their choice, then this seat is secure. And also there is a dual degree program which has been announced by Honorable VC Sir last year, that 1 degree can be done from the regular mode and another from the open mode also. And these are the undergraduate programs. We have 7 honors programs, and rest are BA programs with various combinations. Then these are the PG programs where MBA, Masters of MA in Hindi, History, Political Science, Sanskrit, MCom, and BLISC, MLISC, and PGD LAN. These are our postgraduate courses. Our admission help center, these are our admission help centers. Students can come and physically access the internet and computer, etc. Along with their mentors will be there, as teachers will also be there, and our students will also be there to help them. One center for girls, that is East Regional Center, that is in Tahirpur, Department of Distance and Continuing Education, Tahirpur East Regional Center, and West Regional Center in Keshapuram is for boys. Just a moment. Then there are certain grievance redressal mechanism. There is call center of 20 lines. These 3 are the toll-free numbers and other numbers of call center. As well as we are also helping students' grievances through Colgram, and that will start from 22nd. Then these are the list of all language courses and certificate courses which our students can do, SOL students, as well as any other person can enroll in these courses. That is also announced, and its registration is also open. And these are various languages which can be taken up by SOL students and other students also. And this is Center for Innovative Skill-Based Courses. We have 31 skill-based courses where SOL students and any other student who has passed 12th class that can register in these courses. And these courses range from AC refrigerator repairing to drone flying, drone technology, basic drone technology, stenography, RO repairing, and these are all hands-on courses. So these courses, the registration for this course is also available now. Thank you so much.